The setting's great. Wanted the house to bed into the landscape, so it was really important to set the house low in the site and then have quite a statement on the corner just facing up the hill. Originally there was a bungalow on the site which had been built as an eco-bungalow. It's derelict when we found it. It's a tree growing out of the middle, but we wanted to keep the ethos of the bungalow but make a bigger house. So we cut the roof off, built another storey on top. I was looking for some natural slate vertical cladding for the house which would complement the oak, and I wanted something lightweight, something from a sustainable quarry, and I found CUPACLAD. What I like about that is I know the quarry it's come from. The materials are really good deep blue colour, and I like the system by which it's hung. Sustainability is vital for us on this project. The house is almost zero carbon, very low energy, super insulated. The frame of this end of the house is recycled steel. The main part of the house is green oak, and the green oak came locally, and we wanted to finish with a natural slate. When we contacted Cooper Pizarro's, they were really keen to come to the office. We run an architect's practice, and they came in and gave us a full CPD. And then we're in constant communication with us over the design and the system, providing samples. They came out to the house and talked us through how we could use the product. And then we integrated the design of the product into the other works we were doing.
We've been in dialogue and built up quite a good relationship with Cooper Pizarro's in the last couple of years. This is our second project using another alternative system of theirs. The natural slate is a nice product. It's got a rustic ribbon and sort of textured finish to it, so it is quite forgiving on the facade. Installation process goes back to just getting the substructure and the grid right. If you get the rails right, pretty much the slate just clips on and it goes on quite easy. Cooper Pizarro's offered good support. They've offered many times to come out and help us install the systems. We would recommend CUPACLAD, with it being quite a natural product. It's sustainable and finishes are really great.
When we discussed the facade with the architect, he's already got natural materials such as render and timber cladding, and slate was a natural product that went with the products and the area it's involved in. Natural slate is an excellent material because it's easy to use and easy to cut. The combustibility of natural slate CUPACLAD is A1, which is the highest class you can get for fire resistancy. CUPACLAD is really easy to install. It can be installed by the homeowner, a builder, carpenter, or a facade installer, and we will help all the way through. CUPACLAD has BREE Global certification, which means that it's environmentally friendly, an excellent standard, and been independently assessed. Cooper Pizarro's have a wealth of experience in this field, and we will work with any size project anywhere in the UK from conception to completion.